Hey everyone, welcome back to Scalora, your favorite spot for easy and fun tech tutorials. Today I'm showing you PixNova AI's free realistic AI image generator. Want stunning, photo quality visuals made from just a text prompt? This tool delivers all for free with no login and no watermark. And the best part, that it is completely free with no limitation. Here's how it works. Visit the PixNova AI website and select the Realistic AI Image Generator from the AI Free Tools list.
Why this tool stands out.
Type in your creative prompt, describe what you want to see, like a serene mountain landscape at sunset or a futuristic city skyline at night. Hit generate and watch as the AI crafts a lifelike image in seconds. You'll get Ultra HD visuals that look like real photographs, complete with accurate textures, lighting, and depth. It's perfect for website illustrations, article images, marketing materials, basically anything that needs a high-quality image. Why this tool stands out: it's completely free and doesn't require signing up. Plus, your input and images aren't stored, it respects your privacy. Want more flexibility? PixNova supports loads of creative styles, from realistic to cinematic, vintage, or even stylized looks. Perfect for experimenting with different visual vibes quickly. Here's a quick pro tip. Try starting with a simple prompt, then refine it. For example, hyper-realistic portrait of a golden retriever at golden hour, or ultra-detailed fantasy castle with dramatic lighting. Tailor details like lighting, environment, and mood to get exactly what you envision. Once you've got your image, you can freely use it even commercially anywhere you like. It's great for creatives, bloggers, designers, or anyone in need of eye-catching visuals. Let me know in the comments what prompts you tried and show off the coolest images PixNova makes for you. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tech tools. Thanks for watching Scalora, and I'll see you next time.